Selamat sore. Selamat datang kami ucapkan kepada Kepala Staf Angkatan Laut Laksamana TNI Muhammad Ali SEMM di Center Point of Indonesia, Makassar, Sulawesi Selatan. Selamat datang kami ucapkan kepada Bapak Wali Kota Makassar, Bapak Ramdan Pomanto. The Honorable Chief of the Indonesian Navy, Admiral Muhammad Ali, distinguished the Mayor of Makassar, Mr. Ramdan Pomanto, all Chiefs of Navy, all Head of Delegation, Senior Officer, local official, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to Center Point of Indonesia, Losari Beach, Makassar, South Sulawesi. And we would like to convey our thankfulness for your attendance to this event of the Menek Monument Inauguration.
Kami haturkan selamat sore dan selamat datang di Center Point of Indonesia, Pantai Losari, Makassar, Sulawesi Selatan. Yang terhormat Kepala Staf Angkatan Laut Laksamana TNI Muhammad Ali, SEMM. Yang kami hormati Wali Kota Makassar, Bapak Ramdan Pomanto. Seluruh Kepala Staf Angkatan Laut beserta delegasi dari negara sahabat, pejabat utama TNI Angkatan Laut, dan pejabat dari Kota Madya Makassar, serta hadirin yang kami hormati.
Ladies and gentlemen, before proceeding to our event today, allow us to announce the sequence of program today. This event will begin with a rival performance by the cadets of Indonesian Naval Academy, continue with the opening remarks by Mayor of Makassar, followed by the speech of the Chief of Indonesian Navy, then ribbon cutting ceremony and unveiling of the monument clothing covering, followed by inspection of the Menek Monument, and there will be photo session as closing before proceeding the next event.
Hadirin yang kami hormati, selanjutnya perkenalan kami membacakan susunan acara pada peresmian monumen ini. Acara akan diawali dengan pertunjukan Kolonel Senapan dari Taruna Akademi Angkatan Laut, dilanjutkan dengan sambutan dari Wali Kota Makassar. Acara berikutnya sambutan Kepala Staf Angkatan Laut, dan dilanjutkan dengan pemotongan pita serta pembukaan selubung monumen dan peninjauan. Sebelum mengakhiri acara akan diadakan foto bersama.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, commencing the program, let's watch the ability of the cadets of Indonesian Naval Academy in revealing the skillful arm movement using a rifle under the command of Sergeant Cadet Trisakti Pakurimba Surya Diputra and well trained by Major Marine Rudi Maruli.
Hadirin yang kami hormati, marilah kita saksikan bersama persembahan dari Taruna Akademi Angkatan Laut. Pertunjukan Kolonel Senapan. Para taruna ini memperlihatkan kelihayan dan kecakapan tangan dalam memegang senapan. Kolonel Senapan ini di bawah pimpinan Sersan Taruna Trisakti Pakurimba Surya Diputra dan di bawah pimpinan pelatih dari Akademi Angkatan Laut Mayor Marinir Rudi Maruli.
Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the rifle column from Cadet of Indonesian Naval Academy.
Give a big applause for Indonesian Naval Academy. Please accept our cordial regards, Indonesian Naval Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, for the information, this rival column consists by Indonesian Naval Cadet Batch 70 and 71. The rival column or cylinders is a series of weapon procedures that describe discipline of Indonesian naval cadets. The next formation is rowing and spinning, is an embodiment of the preparedness of Indonesian Naval Academy. The next formation is cross formation. After this, Indonesian Naval Cadet make a circle formation. Give a big round of applause of Indonesian Naval Academy. Once of formations, as a symbol that cadets are ready to make a change and are able to adapt quickly to any change in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, as a closing of the performance, the cadets will make the four lines formations. Please accept our cordial regards, Indonesian Naval Academy.
Well, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, once again, give big round of applause to the cadets of Indonesian Naval Academy. Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, and now the following program is opening remarks by the Mayor of Makassar to Mr. Ramdan Pomanto. Sir, the time is yours.
Hadirin yang kami hormati, acara selanjutnya yaitu sambutan Wali Kota Makassar. Yang kami hormati Bapak Ramdan Pomanto, kami silakan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore, salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Good afternoon, everyone. My special greeting to the Honorable, the Chief of Indonesian Navy, Bapak Laksamana Muhammad Ali, the Chief of Navy delegation from 35 countries and all delegations. Yang saya hormati yang mewakili Bapak Gubernur dan seluruh hadirin yang saya hormati. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with immense pride and honor that I stand before you today as the Mayor of Makassar City to inaugurate the monument of the 4th Multilateral Naval Exercise Komodo MNEC to 2023. This event, which gather nation together for peace, security, and cooperation in our seas, reflect the spirit of collaboration that we all hold dearly. As the host city for this momentous event, the 2023, Makassar is committed to making it a truly memorable and successful event. For that, the building of this MNEC monument will remind us to MNEC 2023 in Makassar. MNEC monument stands on this reclamation land, the land that was never imagined before, is used to be just seawater here. Makassar land reclamation does not follow the usual concept of land reclamations. The purpose of land reclamation in Makassar is to mitigate climate change impact, especially sea level rise that is estimated to increase 1.4 meters in 2050. Indeed, Makassar City is vulnerable to coastal flooding. That is not yet to mention the vulnerability of our islands. As an urban planner and architect back then, my team and my supported Makassar government to design the feature of this land. It takes the shape of Garuda, our nation symbol. This area is the new development area, a new icon called the center point of Indonesia, reflecting the strategic positioning of Makassar exactly at the Indonesian center line. Now that the monument is here, it will remind us always the once MNEC is here. It will become the cultural heritage for our next generation to tell its story through a shape and symbol. Thank you for holding MNEC 2023 in Makassar. I hope this event strengthened multilateral cooperations and collaborations between countries for the same goal, that is a safe, peaceful, and prosperous world. Thank you for all for the newest iconic and historical MNEC monument for Makassar. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, and kindly please be seated.
Terima kasih dan kami silakan duduk kembali.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the next program, the Chief of Indonesian Navy would like to deliver his speech.
Hadirin yang kami hormati, malah kita simak sejenak sambutan Bapak Kepala Staf Angkatan Laut yang terhormat Laksamana TNI Muhammad Ali, kami silakan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good afternoon. Chief of Navy's, Head of Delegations, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend a warm welcome once again to all of you in the city of Makassar. Your presence here is not only a source of pride and honor for the Indonesian Navy, but also for the people of Makassar. The city is located in the center of Indonesia's archipelago, and its position played a key role in selecting Makassar as the venue for our fourth edition of Multilateral Naval Exercise Komodo 2023. Despite its strategic location, the Bugis people of the Makassar have gained fame for their maritime traditions that go back many centuries. They are well known for their seafaring skills, expertise in shipbuilding, navigation, and their involvement in trade and commerce. They were skilled sailors and traders who traveled far beyond the Indonesian archipelago, reaching places as distant as the Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, and even Madagascar. The Indonesian Navy has learned valuable lessons from the Bugis people, not only about navigating the waves, but also about building a strong maritime nation. Now, let's shift our focus to the significance of the monument of the Multilateral Naval Exercise Komodo 2023. This monument stands as a testament to the historic milestone we achieved during the exercise. It represents our collective commitment to strengthening international maritime cooperation and symbolize our joint efforts to contribute to a peaceful and secure maritime environment in this region. The monument also serves as a symbol of our highest appreciation for your dedication and participation in the fourth edition of Multilateral Naval Exercise Komodo 2023. Thank you for all delegation, and I sincerely hope that your visit to Makassar will be more memorable. Thank you.
Mohon berkenan Bapak Kasal untuk tetap di tempat untuk mengikuti acara selanjutnya.
The next event is the ribbon cutting ceremony. Now I kindly invite Mayor of Makassar, Mr. Ramdan Pomanto, to come forward, and followed by all delegation kindly to come forward to ribbon cutting ceremony. You are kindly please.
Dan mohon berkenan untuk tampil ke depan Bapak Ramdan Pomanto selaku Wali Kota Makassar beserta seluruh delegasi untuk mendampingi Bapak Kepala Staf Angkatan Laut dalam prosesi pemotongan pita. Terima kasih.
Please give big applause.
Beri tepuk tangan yang meriah.
And kindly to Admiral Muhammad Ali to unveil the cloth covering of the neck monument by press the button. Kindly please, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please give big applause.
Beri tepuk tangan yang meriah. Dengan pemotongan pita ini, Monumen MNEC 2023 telah diresmikan.
And now the Chief of And kindly to Chief of Indonesian Navy accompanied by Mayor of Makassar and all delegation kindly invited to explore more about the Monument of Menek 2023. You are kindly pleased.
Mohon berkenan kepada yang terhormat Laksamana TNI Muhammad Ali didampingi Wali Kota Makassar beserta seluruh delegasi dan rombongan untuk meninjau Monumen MNEK. Kami silahkan.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Monument of Menek Multilateral Naval Exercise Komodo at Central Point of Indonesia, Losari Beach, Makassar will be inaugurated by Chief of Indonesian Navy, Admiral Muhammad Ali, and already done. The monument was jointly built by Indonesian Navy and the navies of friendly countries and supported by the local government of Makassar region.
Monumen Menek yang terletak di Central Point Indonesia, Pantai Loksari, yang dibangun bersama-sama oleh personil TNI Angkatan Laut dan Angkatan Laut dari negara sahabat, serta didukung oleh pemerintah daerah Makassar, telah diresmikan oleh Bapak Kepala Staf Angkatan Laut Laksamana TNI Muhammad Ali.
The initial idea of establishing the Menek Monument was as a sign awakening from the COVID-19 pandemic that hit all over the country. And of course, in accordance with the current theme, our theme, Multilateral Naval Exercise Komodo 23, is partnership to recover and to rise stronger.
Pembangunan monumen ini merupakan tanda kebangkitan dari pandemi COVID-19 yang telah melanda seluruh dunia pada 2 tahun terakhir, dan diharapkan dengan pembangunan Monumen Menek ini kita dapat bangkit bersama dengan dukungan dari berbagai pihak seperti tema kita pada saat ini, yaitu Partnership to Recover and to Rise Stronger.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following program is photo session. We kindly invite the Chief of Indonesian Navy, along with the Mayor of Makassar City and Chief of Navies and Head of Delegation, also the representative of delegation, to have a photo session. Our committee will assist you. Thank you.
Hadirin yang berbahagia, acara selanjutnya adalah foto bersama. Mohon berkenan Laksamana TNI Muhammad Ali dan Wali Kota Makassar, Bapak Ramdan Pomanto, perwakilan pejabat utama dan pejabat dari Kota Madya Makassar, beserta seluruh kepala staf negara sahabat dan delegasi untuk mengambil tempat yang telah disediakan dalam rangkaian foto bersama. Kami silakan. Dan untuk kepada yang tidak berkepentingan, mohon untuk meninggalkan tempat yang berada di belakang monumen, mohon untuk meninggalkan tempat terlebih dahulu. Mohon kepada yang tidak berkepentingan untuk meninggalkan tempat, mohon untuk meninggalkan tempat terlebih dahulu karena akan diadakan foto bersama. Ladies and gentlemen, again, the following program is photo session. We can invite the Chief of the Indonesian Navy along with the Major of Makassar and Chief of Navies and Head of Delegation, also the representative of delegation to have photo session. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following program is photo session. Kindly invite the Chief of Indonesian Navy along with Mayor of Makassar and Chief of Navies and Head Delegation, also representative of delegation to have photo session. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the next program is photo session. Invite the Chief of Indonesian Navy along the Mayor of Makassar, Chief of Navies and Head of Delegation, also the representative of delegation to have a photo session.
Hadirin yang berbahagia, cara selanjutnya adalah foto bersama. Mohon berkenan Laksamana TNI Muhammad Ali dan Wali Kota Makassar Bapak Ramdan Pomanto, perwakilan pejabat utama dan pejabat dari Kota Madya Makassar beserta seluruh kepala staf, negara sahabat dan delegasi untuk mengambil tempat yang telah disediakan untuk mengadakan rangkaian foto bersama. Terima kasih.
And kindly to all delegation heads of delegation and Chief of Navies to have a photo session together. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Sergeant Indi, and I would like to guide you during this photo session. This photo session will be in 3 poses and 1 take short video. For the first pose is casual pose. As you can see the example in front of us, please look at the center camera right here. The photo will be taken in 1, 2, 3. For the second pose is casual pose. For the casual pose, please lift your right hand in front of your chest. As you can see the example in front of us. Please look at the camera in 1, 2, 3. For the third pose is we have to be interlocking hand with each other, like the example in front of us. Please look at the camera in 1, 2, 3. For the last one, we'll take the video of Indonesian Navy model. It is Jalas Peva Jaya Mahe. When I say Jalas Peva, please respond Jaya Mahe. Repeat it 3 times. As you can see the example. Jalas Peva. Jalas Peva. Jalas Peva. The video will be taken in 1, 2, 3. Jalas Peva! Jalas Peva! Jalas Peva! Finally, it ends this session. Thank you for your support and cooperation.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the photo session concludes our sequence today. On behalf of the Chief of Indonesian Navy, may we humbly express our wholehearted gratitude for your attendance to the Menek Monument inauguration today in Center Point of Indonesia, Makassar, Sulawesi.
Hadirin yang kami hormati, foto bersama telah mengakhiri rangkaian acara peresmian Monumen MNEK pada hari ini. Kami haturkan terima kasih atas kehadiran dan partisipasi pada peresmian monumen di Pantai Losari. Kami selaku panitia mengucapkan permohonan maaf jika terdapat hal yang kurang berkenan selama acara berlangsung. Terima kasih dan selamat sore.